Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to import Excel into Smartsheet. This is incredibly useful when you want to transition your spreadsheet data into a more collaborative workspace where your team can track projects and manage workflows together. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to smartsheet.com. Once you're there, sign in to your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct login information so you can access all your existing workspaces and files. After signing in, you'll land on your Smartsheet homepage. This is your central hub where all your sheets, reports, and dashboards live. Take a moment to locate your existing files section. You'll see a list of all the sheets you've already created or have access to. Click on this section to view your current workspace. Now look for the Create button. This is typically located near the top of your screen and is your gateway to building new sheets or importing existing data. Click on Create to open up a menu with several options for how you want to proceed. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Import. This option allows you to bring in data from various external sources rather than starting from scratch. Smartsheet supports multiple file types, making it flexible for different workflows. Next, you'll see several import format options. For our purposes, select Microsoft Excel and CSV. This tells Smartsheet what kind of file you're working with and ensures the data is read correctly during the import process. Clicking this option prepares the system to handle Excel spreadsheets specifically. Now it's time to locate your file. Click Select to browse through your computer's folders and find the Excel file you want to import. Navigate to wherever you've saved the file, click on it to select it, and then click Continue. At this point, Smartsheet will process your file, and you might need to wait a moment while it loads and analyzes the data structure. Once the processing is complete, you'll see a preview of your file displayed on the screen. This preview shows you how your Excel data will look once it's imported into Smartsheet. Take a moment to review it carefully, check that the columns, rows, and formatting appear correct. This is your chance to catch any potential issues before finalizing the import. If everything looks good and you're satisfied with the preview, go ahead and click Import. Smartsheet will now transfer all your Excel data into a new sheet within your workspace. Give it a few seconds to complete the process, especially if your file contains a lot of data. And that's it. Your Excel file is now successfully imported into Smartsheet, ready for you to collaborate with your team and take advantage of all the project management features Smartsheet offers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.